We are Panthera Robotica, and we are competing in this year's first tech challenge, Skystone, presented by Qualcomm. Our progress in week 4 was cut short due to an in-service day at our school, so we only had one day in week 4. Therefore, we have decided to combine week 4 and week 5 progress into this video. One of the main focuses of the build team in week 4 was determining how to make a manipulator. For this, we had determined all of the possible ways that the block could come into our robot. One person on the coding team focused on getting our Android device hooked up and having all of the correct software installed in order to be able to control our robot. Our business team began to focus on the website and making sure that all of our social medias were able to be accessed through the website. On Monday of week 5, all of the packages for our playing area came in. Due to short supply, we were only given one build zone and 4 sky blocks. Our turnout for the meeting was short on Monday, so the entire team worked on setting up the play area. We began by setting up the mat along with the side borders. We then began to build the sky bridge. This is what the finished play area looked like, but we did not have time to tape up the corners and the middle lines. We have added in lines in order to demonstrate what the actual play area would look like. With the sky bridge built, we began to test out game strategy and talk about what we need our robot to do. Immediately, an important question on the starting position of bots was asked.
No, you can start wherever you want.
We cannot start there.
You can start there if you want.
You can start anywhere against the wall.
Anywhere against this wall.
So you go under, yeah, we'll pretend.
Now, another question arose. Should we first bring over a block, or should we first bring the building platform into the triangle?
I suggest we first
Yeah, we do. We want to move the platform first, but that's okay.
But honestly, you might as well take a stone over there where you do it.
Yeah.
Optimize the time.
It depends where you
I mean,
start.
you have a teammate, so it all depends on what your teammates.
Could I go through under this?
That's probably
Definitely.
the most common route. Is this is in and that is out. Now, does it have to be that? No, but that's kind of the point of the neutral bridge, is you return because you got to go diagonal.
We then decided to emulate the second phase of the game.
2, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, you're only allowed to have one stone in there.
Oh,
Build
yeah,
it
yeah.
every time. Gotta pull it out.
Okay. That probably doesn't, does that stay there?
I think
Yes,
so.
because it was left over from the Thomas period. It'll just stay there. You can grab it actually. You can grab it if you want.
Pick it up and
Okay.
play. I'm sorry.
Okay, teams, you've now entered the final period.
Okay.
It's called
Can you
Endgame
keep
period.
grabbing the thing? Yeah. Take your arm.
Remember to look through all of the rules to find certain areas where you can get more points, like this one. When taking the building zone out of the building area can give you extra points.
And move the building place out of the building field.
This ends our first run with a very short end game.
Ready, set, go. Don't forget, you can still get points for taking the thing in. So one thing we learned there is we have to figure out, we don't want yet.
Again, we go over our strategy for what we think gets us the most points. Consider going over this with your team depending on what your robot can accomplish and what it can't.
There's more points to get in there. Kill switch. I don't think reasonably moving it in the corner and getting the 2 Skystones over. I have to think that since the robot
Enter the end period, 30 seconds.
Okay. Wait, that's your arm movement. Build the stuff. That's your arm movement. Grab blue board, spread out, lean forward, pull board, leftward. Stop. Okay, grab up, ungrab. Reach down, grab brick, any brick. Go up. Turn leftward 1 inch.
As you can see, the end game phase is a very short phase of the game in which you can't do very much with your robot. On Wednesday, we primarily focused on the expansion hub. We found out we need some adapters to connect the motors to it.